Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer using TransUnion credit monitoring with alerts, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your TransUnion account. Navigate to the credit monitoring section of the dashboard. Locate the option for setting up alerts. Click on the alerts option to view available settings. Choose which types of alerts you want to receive. Consider options such as credit inquiries, account changes, and score updates. Select your preferred notification method. You can opt for email, SMS, or app notifications. After selecting your notification method, review your choices. Make sure the contact information associated with your account is up to date. Once verified, proceed to the next step to customize the alert thresholds. Set specific criteria for when you would like to receive alerts. This could include changes above a certain credit score or new credit inquiries. Finalize your selections by confirming your alert settings. You may receive a confirmation message indicating your alerts are active. Monitor your email or phone for a welcome message about the new alerts. Remember to regularly check the TransUnion dashboard for updates. Keep your account secure by enabling two-factor authentication if it is available. Review your credit report periodically to ensure accuracy. Stay informed about your credit health through the alerts you set. Adjust your alert preferences as needed in the future. With these steps completed, you can effectively use TransUnion for credit monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.